Oh no, you've got this caught in your hair. Oh well, I guess it's staying in there for now. We'll deal with that later, darling. Okay, we'll deal with it later. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be an Hermes unboxing video. My daughter wanted to sit next to me while I'm filming, so I let her. You gonna be a good girl?
Meow meow.
Okay, let's hope so. I also have my son with me as well, so bouncing the bouncer for him while he's kind of in and out of sleep. He had a big feed, but he just seems a little bit restless. So before I get into today's unboxing video, if you aren't already subscribed to my channel and you love luxury videos, then I would appreciate if you hit that subscribe button below and also the bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos, which is twice a week on a Wednesday and on a weekend. So let's dive right into this unboxing. Let's hope that we can make this a quick unboxing video because I'm never exactly always quick. Now, firstly, I just wanted to tell you guys, because this is a kind of a different unboxing video when it comes to Hermes, I actually didn't go to the boutique to get these items. I ordered them from my local boutique, and this is how they came in a big bag like this with the ribbon on it. They came same day delivery from my local boutique. I placed what they call like a phone order, but really it was just like an email order with my sales associate. And I asked her and said, after these items, can I buy them, send them to me, because I'm not ready to go into the boutique right now because obviously my son is still very young. He's only a few months old, and my sales associate was more than happy to help me out. It was a bit hard for her to process the order immediately. It did take about, I think, about a good week and a half for my order to be processed, but she did keep the items on hold for me, and that's the main thing. That was because the Sydney boutique had just reopened, so they were getting absolutely smashed. They had queues outside the door. It was insane. People were lining up for 6 hours just to get into the new boutique. So yeah, it was very crazy, and that's why it took her some time to process the order, but I am very grateful that she was able to, because I mean, like, I needed my Hermes fix, you know. So and it's not the same when you're shopping online. They also don't even have everything, and there's a particular item in here that's a wish list item. So let's start with the stuff that's inside. That's the receipt. Also, side note, the courier that they used obviously was a smoker, because I could smell the smoke. So it was a little bit disappointing that my shopping bag now smells like smoke. But you know what is really awesome is that everything is actually sealed up in plastic. So this is all brand new stock, fresh from the boutique, fresh from Paris, fresh from France. Now let's start off with, actually let's do this item. Now this is, I don't even know if I'm gonna bother unboxing this, because this is actually something that I ordered for a friend of mine. She doesn't have a local boutique near her, and she wanted one of these Hermes lipsticks. And you guys have already seen this. I've already shown one of these on my channel, but this is in the shade Beige Cadillac. So I picked this up for her, and I'm gonna send that off to her. The other item is also another item that is also from my friend. She lives locally to me, and she's letting me open it up. She said I'm allowed to open it for her. She's gonna come pick it up tomorrow, so she lives close, like she literally lives like around the corner from me. And whenever she's after something from Hermes, if she can't get into the boutique, or you know, if she can't come with me, then I will just pick it up for her. And I have picked her up this Hermes item. This is fairly new. I don't think they've had these for very long, at least as far as I know. They haven't had them for very long. Let me flip it over so it's not upside down. Oops. This is the tag that it comes with. Sorry, it's kind of getting blown out with the studio light. Sorry about that. And we picked out, with my help, it looks like a twilly, but it ain't a twilly. It is a scrunchie. So Hermes does do scrunchies, hair ties. It's very cute, huh? But this is for Mama's friend, yeah? You know Mama's friend.
Yeah.
I think she won't mind if I say her name. Sam? Yeah, you know Sam.
Yeah.
So yeah, this is for my friend Sam. This is a silk scrunchie. It is so cute. I think that there are other designs, but this was all that the boutique had. But my friend loves blue anyway, and she is actually a scrunchie fanatic. She has a crazy scrunchie collection, so she will no doubt get very good use out of this. But also you can see here it's got like the Hermes Paris on it as well. But yeah, this is a very neutral looking scrunchie, so she'll have no problem styling this anyway. I should do this for my friend as well. I just forget. I'm so forgetful. My friend Sam actually has a Korean beauty store. So I'm going to put her Instagram down below for her Korean beauty store. So if you are into Korean skincare, Korean makeup, which is actually fantastic. Korean and Japanese skincare and makeup is my favorite. I love their stuff. So yeah, if you're into Korean skincare, check out her Instagram down below. I'll also put it on the screen. She is based in Australia. I think she might ship worldwide. I'm not 100% sure, but I know it's a bit problematic at the moment with the pandemic with worldwide shipping. Now let's move on to the next item. I have a couple items for me, all sealed up, so they need to be opened up. You have spaghetti on your face.
I have spaghetti on my face.
Spaghetti. Spaghetti. This even has actually the store tags on it still, like the tags that you see, but I'm not going to show you because it'll give it away what the item is. But yeah, totally brand new items. How cool is that? Try to open it. Not upside down.
When do I open it?
What's in there?
Open it.
And obvious giveaway, this is a piece of jewelry. And I picked up, this is a Clic H. And this is in the limited edition print, which is a tartan print. This is in rose gold, so it's still got all the protective stickers on it, so that's why it's looking a little bit matte and brushed gold right now. And as you can see, the H is actually the tartan print as well, so it is different than the usual sort of Clic H. This was $990 Australian. So cute. How cute is that? It's still in pink, like it's Rose Delirium. So the color is still called Rose Delirium, but it's just got a different product code. I'm gonna put the product code actually on the screen for you guys. So that way, if you are after this, then you can contact your sales associate and request it. So that's the PM size, and it is still loose on me because I do have very small wrist. But I'm totally okay with that. Look, I've just accepted the fact that I have a small wrist. I'm not going to win, you know. It's just the way it goes. But I can just push it up anyway. And the Clic H, I find, is quite, they're very sturdy. I've owned one before. I had one in a different shade, but I ended up selling it because I just stopped wearing it because it was always clanging around with my Pandora. But then I ended up missing it. So I was like, you know what, I'm going to add another Clic H back, and why not add it in a limited edition print. And then the last item I have in here, oh, I almost showed you what it is. I almost showed you. Let me flip that around. Brand new in the box. I am so excited that I have this. So excited. Probably an obvious giveaway what it is. It is totally sealed up. So let's open this up. Now I'm just going to make sure that the tag doesn't fall off once I've broken this seal off. Oh man, I'm so happy that I finally have this. Just making sure it's the right one that I was expecting. So I have been asking my sales associate for this for quite some time. I had been requesting this since it first came out and it wasn't even out in Australia yet. I think I've been asking for this for about, I'd say 6 months. Easily 6 months for sure. And it has taken its sweet time for it to land in my hands. You know, I'm definitely not VIP at my local boutique, but I'm at least appreciative that I am able to get some of the elusive items. I am very grateful, so I shouldn't be ungrateful. You know, do I wish that I had lots of money to be a VIP? Yeah, maybe kind of. Maybe it would be a little bit easier, a little less stressful, but it is what it is. So I am very grateful that I have this. This is a wish list item, and this is not for everyone. Some people will go, this is an absolute waste of money, but you know, if you're going to waste your money on one of these, then it may as well be this one, I think. Or perhaps the other elusive one, which is the So Black. But this is essentially the So Pink. And it is in the color Rose Azalea. As you guys know, I have a Constance 24 in Rose Azalea, so I absolutely love the color Rose Azalea. I love it so much. It is so girly, but it is so awesome. And yes, the Rodeo PM, so the most elusive size of Rodeos, is finally in my hands. Been asking for this for ages. I feel like I have been wanting this for so long. Even I wanted this more than the So Black, actually. Yeah, it's because it's pink, you know. I feel like I should just wear it around my neck or something. Find somewhere to wear it as a necklace, because it's just that hard to get. Huh?
Not a necklace.
No, it's not a necklace. Mama's silly, isn't she?
It's for your bag.
Yeah, it's for, yes, that's right, it's for my bag. Even my daughter knows that. You can tell the camera that?
Yeah, it's for Mama's bag.
Yeah, it's for Mama's bag. She knows. She knows. Learning young, right?
Happy birthday, Anna.
It's not your birthday.
Not yet.
Not yet. No, not yet.
You're gonna bake it.
Yeah, I'm gonna bake you a cake, yes. So that is everything. This is the last item from my Hermes haul, my little haul that I managed to get via phone order through my boutique. I had to pay electronically, so electronics funds transfer. Can you get your head out of the camera, please? Come on, thank you. All right, that is everything. I'm gonna wrap up this video because I've got kids all around me everywhere, and you know, it might potentially be a disaster if things start falling off and getting touched that shouldn't be getting touched. But yeah, I'm so happy, so happy that I have this. I'm really happy with this, and I'm really happy with the Clic H. I think I'll be going to the boutique at the end of the month, perhaps. Or I mean, I don't know when I'm going to be uploading this video, to be honest, because I do have quite a lot of backlog and you know, that sort of thing. So yeah, I think that I'll be going to the boutique around my birthday in August. Fingers crossed that hopefully there is a dream bag for me, that could be a massive, huge birthday present for me. I'd be so stoked with it, so happy. But you know, I am really happy that I finally added this, and I am grateful. You know, you have to count your blessings that I was able to buy these things, so I am grateful nonetheless. But anyways, I'm going to wrap up this video. If you did like it, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.